Intanto siamo partiti. Siamo partiti con la quarta serie 200 dorso maschili assoluti. Luigi Termine in 1, Alberto Messa in 2, Giulio Caranza in 3, Renato Castellano in 4, Lorenzo Zamboni in 5, Alberto Camilotto in 6, Gregory Gessi in 7. Per la terza serie dei 200 dorso assoluti maschili, Matteo Teolato in corsia 1, Dylan Buonaguro in corsia numero 2, Davide Cudin in 3, Dusan Stevanovic in 4, Emanuele Brusatin in 5, Antonio Lombardi in 6, Luca Valmori in 7.
How it always calls me, finding my way back to you. I'm feeling it more now than ever. I'll do this forever, just to spend the night with you. This is, yeah. This right here is my type of party. Ooh, yeah. 5 more hours, we just getting started. Is my type of party. 5 more hours, we're just getting started. 5 more hours, we're just getting started. Is your head spinning? Is your heart racing? Is there fire?
2:20:64 intanto dalla quarta corsia, Renato Castellan, 3 piscine.